Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I created this Ice Dragon Queen look using Spirit Halloween products. First we're going to start out with this dragon latex appliance kit and trim it to fit comfortably on your face. Next we're going to use the spirit gum included in the dragon kit and a makeup sponge to apply the adhesive to your face. Tap on the spirit gum so that it gets tacky before setting the latex down. Next, using this Cool Tones palette, I'm going to grab both blue shades at the ends. We're going to use the light blue to highlight and the dark blue to contour, pressing that into the latex. Next, I'm going to take this light blue water-activated paint included in the Dragon kit to highlight all the bumps in the latex appliance. I'm also going to use a dark blue water-activated paint in all of the deep parts and the crevices, and this will emphasize that dragon texture. To soften the edge of the latex, I extended the pattern by painting more of those circles and ovals onto my skin. Next, I blended this matte blue eyeshadow all over the upper and lower lid, and then topped it off with this blue glitter eyeshadow, and then blended in some extra eyeshadow on top. I applied these luxe lashes on my upper lash line and these glitter eyelashes on my lower lash line. I then used some white from this black and white makeup kit to extend the wing on the inner corner. Lastly, for costume, I threw on this medieval curls wig and this corset over a long sleeve shirt. And this is the finished look. I hope you like it and thank you so much for watching.